The to lower, we can do it right here when we're doing the string compare. So we'll have two functions that will lower, it's the same function, that will lower this to lowercase and this to lowercase temporarily as we compare. So this would be strlwr as a function, string to lower, and this one also will be the same thing. strlwr, and it will take that as an argument. Okay, so let's see now when we lower these two, lowercase, and then we can compare. So let's compile and run. There you go. And now what we're going to do is go ahead and do gizmo, one in uppercase and one in lowercase. So I'll do gizmo 12.34, 100, and then I'm going to enter gizmo again in lowercase. Gizmo, and I should get an error. There you have it. So product already exists, no need to update. Okay, so if I do it 2, I already have my product. Okay, let's try it in uppercase. So if I do 1 and I enter gizmo, again, product already exists. No need to update. And I'm going to do it 2, and there you have it. Now let's enter another toy, for example, lowercase, right? And we're going to enter $23, 90 of them. Okay, let's do it 2 quickly to review. Everything is fine. Now let's go ahead and enter toy, lowercase. Let's see again if we'll take it. I typed a toe and I didn't type, so 1. I went too fast. So let me just go ahead and do toy again. Toy. Okay. Already it exists, no updates. So that's not looking good. It's saying it twice. Let's see why. Let's see if I do a 2. Why it's doing that. Interesting. So if I do a 1, try to enter gizmo, lowercase, just testing things out. And this went up by, so every time it doesn't find it, it's going to do that. So the longer your array is, the more errors you're going to get. We want to make sure that this happens only once. So we're going to do a break. This is a good reason to have a break right now inside of that statement. Otherwise, it's going to do it every time. Okay, perfect. So this is great. So we could see the kind of errors we get. So I'm going to go ahead and do break right here. So kick me out. You found it. Get me out of here. Excellent. So let's go ahead and compile and run. Okay. Let's do it again. So 1, gizmo. $12, 100 of them. Great. Let's look at it. 2, it's in there. Let's try to enter gizmo again. So 1. Let's do gizmo in lowercase. See if we can enter it. All right. It says I can't. Okay. Let's do a 2 again. So we're good. Let's do toy. So 2, toy. Oops, sorry. 1 for toy. So toy. And let's say the toy is $45 and we got 100 of those. Perfect. So let's go ahead and view. Let's try to enter toy again. And 1 toy already exists. Perfect. So now, as you can see, it's kicking me out instead of printing several times. So that break statement came in handy. Let's go ahead and try to enter gizmo again. Okay. Perfect. All right. So it doesn't matter how you enter gizmo. So let's do it this way. Okay, as you can see, it already exists. Okay, 2, view our products. We still have our products. Perfect. Let's say we want to purchase and see if there are any. I didn't hit a 3 here. Here you go. And let's go ahead and do a gizmo. Enter the number of gizmos you're buying. Okay, I want to buy 34. Okay, let's see what happens when we do a 2. And there you go. Excellent. So everything is working now. Except we still have to make this a little better. When you purchase a product, you want to make sure you don't go into the negative. Unless it's okay with your database, because you can reorder with a negative value. Okay, it's possible. But if you don't have those in the warehouse and you have a negative value, you're going to run into a lot of confusion in terms of orders. Okay? Let's do a 4 exit.